My pizzas. Sorry, guys. My pizza. 3, 2, 1, go. Sorry, guys. Making pizza. Sauce.
What's that?
It's sauce.
Okay. Good job, Papa.
Let me sit out.
What's that?
Cheese.
Ooh, okay.
Cheese. Mama kids. Mama kids.
What's that?
Again. Again. It purpose. It can purpose. What's that?
You want to put more sauce? So how long is it gonna be there? How long are you gonna keep the pizza?
I don't know.
You don't know?
And
Say so, guys. I'm gonna leave it for 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
Okay.
See you guys. Peace. Peace out, buddy.
So are you ready to eat now?
Yes.
Okay. So what are you supposed to do?
My baby, my kindness, our Father, what you have it, Amen, that you come, the Amen, and the Harry, and got to there, and the bed.
And forgive us our trespasses.
Verses, and the get to Amen.
Amen, Papa. So are you gonna allow it to cool before you eat it?
Yes. Mom, bless you.
Bless you too, Papa. It's still very hot, okay? Let it cool before you eat it.
Come on, Mommy, bless you. See people.
Oh, thank you.
3, 2, 1, go.